Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This morning I'm going to make a green smoothie with the instant Ace Nova blender. So first I'm going to start off with the liquid, which is milk. I have unsweetened almond milk here. I just put half a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Then I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of spinach. All that spinach in there. Kind of push it down a little bit to look for my other stuff. And then I want to add the soft ingredients, which is my 2 bananas. Just kind of break them up in big chunks. And not everyone likes bananas, so if you want it to be creamy, you can also use avocado to substitute if you don't like bananas, but I love bananas. And put those in. And then after, I'm going to put my fresh fruit and nuts. So I have a whole green apple cut up, and I have it cut up in pretty large chunks. Full. Just kind of pushing it down a little bit. I just want to make room. And cashews in there. And this is so I can let it be a little bit creamy. And after, I can put in my frozen fruits, which is my favorite part. So I've just got pineapple chunks. I'm almost getting to maximum here, so I'm just going to push it down a little bit. I really want to see what this blender can handle. I'm going to add a few frozen strawberries from this mixed fruit bag. Not a lot, but I just want to go ahead and add a few strawberries. Would do it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the top on. Before I do that, I forgot my lime. I just want a little bit of lime juice in there. I think it'll help with the spinach. Sorry about that. Let's try this again. Okay. So I'm going to press smoothie and start. So go ahead and remove the lid. Wow. Now we have this smoothie. This blender was packed all the way to the top, and that gave me about, yep, it's at the 32 ounce line. So all of those ingredients gave me 32 ounces of smoothie. Let me go ahead and check this consistency so I can show you. So everything is really blended out. Oops, I don't want to spill it. I don't really see any chunks in there. Let's go ahead and pour this smoothie into a glass. Wow, that's pretty good. Okay. Here we have our green smoothie. That wasn't too hard. Once you have all the ingredients, just pack it in that Instant Ace blender and you will get a delicious smoothie. I'm going to take a taste. That is actually really good. I don't like eating a lot of leafy vegetables on my plate, so I like to drink mine. And you can too. Go ahead and try this smoothie out. And also let me know in the comments below, what do you like in your green smoothies? How many green veggies or fruits do you put in there? Let me know what you like in your green smoothies and I'll try out that recipe too. Alright, have a great day and stay safe and stay healthy. Oh, please subscribe to my channel.